Hey, so if your Google Calendar looks messy or it's hard to tell work, personal, and meeting events apart, color coding can make everything way easier to read. In this guide, I'll show you how to color code Google Calendar events step by step. All right, first, open Google Calendar on your browser or mobile app and sign in to your account. Now select the event you want to color code. Click the event and look for the color palette icon or color selection menu. Pick a color that matches the type of event, like blue for meetings or green for personal tasks. Try keeping the same color style consistently so your calendar stays easy to understand. You can also assign colors to entire calendars instead of individual events. Some people use bright colors for urgent tasks and softer colors for low-priority events. On mobile devices, you can edit event colors the same way directly from the calendar app. Switch to weekly or monthly view to see how your color system improves readability. And yeah, that's it. Once you start color coding your events, Google Calendar becomes much cleaner and easier to manage.